Casey's always planning something. She's always got something on the go. The ladies that she supports, their lives are full to the brim in terms of what's the next party, what's the next event. So they've always got something to look forward to, and it's always positive.
My favourite bit is organising occasions, birthdays, Christmas. I'm a bit over the top, but it's what creates the best memories. One of the ladies I support, she hasn't got no family, so us as social care workers, we are like one big family to them, so if we don't make the effort, who will?
Katie take me out spa day is weekend, and we have lunch out is poker. She take me clothes shopping.
You can see that she loves her job, that it's not just a job, that it's very personal, and she does it with that level of passion.
My friend just died. Something I down a little bit. They keep me up a little bit, smiling at me, make me happy. She lovely to me, and I love to be back to her.
I am one of the lucky ones that can say she does enjoy her job, she loves her job, and I try to show it through my work. And